Meet the all-new Robotin R2 Pro, the biggest upgrade yet from your trusted R2. We listened to you and completely upgraded the vacuum module. Say goodbye to the old vacuum-only module, and hello to the brand new Vacuum Plus Mop Module. Now, your R2 Pro vacuums and mops in one pass. The added mop pad delivers deeper cleaning with zero extra effort. We also upgraded the brush to a dual anti-tangle brush. Long hair, pet fur, nothing gets wrapped anymore. And we added a brand new precision sensor that perfectly guides the mop module back to the dock for automatic mop pad cleaning, every single time. The iconic full front LED light has been redesigned to make room for the new sensor and buttons. Still beautiful, now even smarter. This is just the beginning. We'll keep our backers updated with regular software and feature improvements because your Robotin only gets better over time.